Hello, this is Shay M. Welcome to my channel. This is my third video, and my videos is all about how to save or how to get us to stretch our budget as much as possible. Where prices going up on everything, we have to find many ways of how to budget on everything that we have to get it every day. So, by being said, I have another strategy on how to save. And when I do save, I like to receive Amazon gift cards by doing this method that I'm about to tell you about. The method I'm about to tell you about is how to earn up to 25 cents a gallon on gas at participating gas stations. It's a wonderful app, and it's called Upside. Yes, it's called Upside, and it's a wonderful app. And like I said, you go on the app, and wherever the gas station you are getting your gas, you turn on the app, and it recognizes all in that area, or the area where you're in, if you're not at a gas station, wherever you are in that area. And it will show you all the gas stations that are part of the program. And you click on it. Then you get your gas through debit card or credit card. And then, after that, and then you scan the receipt. I just couldn't believe it, because when I said, maybe I'm not going to really save that much from this. And then I noticed, because I have to get gas every week, I was like, it really adds up. And so when you finish, you add it up to $25, and then you have a choice. And I always choose Amazon gift cards. Wow. So I go Amazon, and I could get, let's name it, the items I told you about in the previous video. Free toilet paper and paper towels on my first video. Please check that out. The link should be at the bottom of your screen. And then the other video about how to get household products. What I always get it through, Amazon gift cards. Please check the links below to see those videos. Like I said, we have to stretch our budget. We have to do the best we can with our budget. And to me, this is a real good strategy of how to get the best of what you're doing. So what I do, this app is an app here. So usually on the other two on videos, which is listed below, tell you on those videos what do I do for those items on the previous videos. But for this one, it's an app, and I have the link right below. And for you to get started, it do not cost anything to get started. The app is available right now in 40 states. So hopefully, it keeps growing into, all 50 states. But right now it's 40 states. And it's supposed to be like 17,000 gas stations nationwide. So it's really growing. But another thing, I would like for you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And like I said, it's a great app, and it's a great way to, not just that, you save, really get on your gas, and then you reward it with, a gift card, or you could choose cash, but like I said, they are check or PayPal or the gift cards. But I always choose the Amazon gift cards because it's so convenient. Because when you get the Amazon gift cards, you could choose what items. I always choose all my essential items. And voila, it's delivered to my home. I do not have to go out. I do not have to worry about crowds. And I do not have to drive. But being saying about the gas app, of course, I need that. So I have to get gas every week to go on my job. And so I'm going to need that every week. So that's a part of me getting back and forth about my every weekly budget or a part of my monthly budget. So you wanna make the best of that budget. So I would love to bring more videos related to more budgeting, and I'm gonna try to do it like every Thursday. I know today is Wednesday, but I'm gonna bring you another video on Thursday, and I call it like a bonus. But we're not really, because on Thursday, I'm going to try to give you a video every Thursday. So that's why I want you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because I got a lot of budget ideas I would like to share with you. And I would like you to leave any comments about anything related that, that you will need help on, as far as helping saving money or anything like that. And I would like for you to look at Shay M's other videos on related to that. And please go on those links and start the previous videos. You will love, because it's so, like I say, it's so important, and then it's so easy. Mostly everybody at home, and you could focus on saving. It's amazing. It's little things that you could do, and that could really add up in a big way. And because you want to hold on to as much money as you can. So like I said, all these strategies, hopefully, it'll work out for you. And I know it will, because I do them all the time. And I do this one every week. And I get about, I say about $25 worth of gas, 25 to 30. It all depends. And like I said, I can't believe how it adds up. Bam. Like I said, I choose the Amazon gift card. Bam, I got another gift card. I was like, wow, this is so great. And like I said, you get these items, and like I said, that's money I'm saving. I could put this in a piggy bank. I could save that for a rainy day, instead of spending money on these essential items. And I could do a simple thing, something I always do anyway. I got to do anyway. I have to get gas every week anyway. Why not save? Like I said, this app, you could save up to 25 cents per gallon. Up to 25 cents now. Up to. But that's great. That is a great thing. Something you're doing anyway. And then, then you get, PayPal or a check or the gift cards, like I always choose, again, Amazon gift cards. And so, that's just wonderful. But I want you to please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And like I said, I'm going to bring you another video coming soon. But like I said, I'm going to have a video every Thursday. And I want you to stay tuned. So please like, share, and subscribe, so I can bring you more videos. See you then.